About this channel disclaimer. The content provided on this channel is not financial advice and is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Welcome. My name is Rees, and this is my channel Envision. If you're interested in 1. Earning more money. 2. Managing debt effectively. 3. Building passive income streams. 4. Investing. 5. Personal finance tips. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. All videos are animated by me under the Envision brand. My goal is to simplify complex financial topics, making them easy to understand and fun to watch. Note: there are countless ways to make money, and success depends on your skills, interests, and available resources. Stay tuned for actionable insights and engaging content to help you on your financial journey. 1. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. 1. Share this with a friend who's starting their investment journey. Investing in the future. Insights from experts. The world of investing is rapidly evolving, and staying ahead requires forward-thinking strategies and an understanding of emerging trends. We gathered insights from top investment experts to explore how individuals and organizations can position themselves for success in the future. Key themes in future investments. 1. Technology as a growth driver. Experts unanimously agree that technology will continue to be a cornerstone of future investment opportunities. 1. Key sectors. Artificial intelligence, AI, renewable energy, robotics and automation, blockchain and Web3 technologies. 2. Expert insight. 2. AI and machine learning are not just trends, they are reshaping industries from healthcare to finance. Investing in companies leading this transformation is a long-term growth strategy. Dr. Angela Moore, tech analyst. 2. Sustainable and ESG investing. Environmental, social, and governance, ESG. Investing has shifted from a niche to a mainstream strategy. 1. What to watch. Green energy solutions, solar, wind, hydrogen. Companies reducing carbon footprints. Ethical supply chains and social equity initiatives. 2. Expert insight. 2. ESG isn't just about doing good, it's about recognizing risks and opportunities tied to sustainability. The companies leading in ESG will likely outperform in the long run. Mark Rivera, ESG specialist. Trends shaping the future of investing. 1. Digital assets and cryptocurrencies. The rise of digital currencies and blockchain-based solutions presents unique opportunities and risks. 1. Focus areas. Bitcoin and Ethereum as store of value assets. Decentralized finance, DeFi, applications. NFTs with real-world utility. 2. Expert insight. 2. Crypto is here to stay, but the key is understanding the technology behind it and identifying projects with genuine use cases. Rachel Lynn, blockchain entrepreneur. 2. The shift to emerging markets. As developed markets mature, emerging economies are becoming attractive investment destinations. 1. Emerging opportunities. Southeast Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Infrastructure and digital economy development. 2. Expert insight. 2. Emerging markets are poised for exponential growth due to urbanization and a young, tech-savvy population. Diversifying into these regions is a smart play. Ahmed Khan, global economist. Advice for future investors. 1. Think long-term. 1. Avoid chasing trends and focus on foundational growth industries. 2. Experts highlight the importance of compounding returns and patience. 2. Embrace innovation. 1. Stay curious and open to new asset classes, such as fractional shares or alternative investments. 3. Educate yourself. 1. Financial literacy is a critical skill for navigating modern markets. 2. Books, online courses, and discussions with professionals can help bridge knowledge gaps. 4. Diversify strategically. 1. Balance traditional assets like stocks and bonds with new age investments, such as REITs, crypto, or green energy funds. Closing thoughts: investing in the future is about balancing innovation with caution. As industries evolve and global dynamics shift, staying informed and adaptable will be key to seizing opportunities and achieving long-term financial goals. 1. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. 1. Share this with a friend who's starting their investment journey.